Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the voice typing tool in Google Docs. To begin, simply open the Tools menu up top, and then click Voice Typing with the microphone icon. You can also activate it by typing on your keyboard Ctrl-Shift-S. Once you open it, this little microphone pop-up will appear, and you can drag it around by holding the three dots. You can also change the language that you speak in, and you have to click the microphone to activate it. Now, Google Docs must already be allowed to use your microphone. If it's not allowed to, then a pop-up might come here, or something might flash in your URL bar over here, like this icon. So, click to speak, and now my voice should be coming out as text. And it's not accurate all the time, and it's definitely not going to be accurate if you stutter. I'm stuttering right now. Stutter a lot, and it's also not going to be accurate if generally your voice is a little unclear. And if you scroll down here, let me turn this off. If you scroll down here, I made a little table to demonstrate something. So I click here, and now my text should appear here. If I click this box, then it'll appear here. And just like that, I can type anywhere by clicking where I want to type. This does not work for comments or anything outside of the page. There's also voice commands, which allow you to do some interesting things. Essentially, they allow you to do all the regular menu functions, but with your voice. New line. As you can see, it made a new line. Oh, whoops, it's bold. I changed some stuff by accident. Let me turn off bold and italics. Now I should be typing normally. However, if I say bold, bold, it's not hearing me correctly. But normally it would activate bold text. I'll try again. Bold. Yeah, now it worked. As you can see in the menu, the bold icon is now blue. Italics. I'm now typing in italics and bold. Red text. Wasn't sure if this is gonna work. Yeah, it didn't work. Maybe you could change the font too. I haven't tried this stuff. Font Roboto. No, it doesn't work like that. But this can do some pretty interesting things. And if you're not sure about all the commands, if you click the little help icon next to the microphone, the help page will pop up. And if you scroll down, you'll see the Use Voice Commands section, which has the whole list of voice commands, all in different sections. You can explore this on your own time if you want. I can't go over all of these. And that's really it. So thanks for watching.